Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The markets seem to lack conviction today. Stocks in the Asian-Pacific region advanced. Europe's Stoxx 600 is giving up its earlier advance, and U.S. futures are heavier. The dollar is mixed with the dollar-bloc currencies, sterling and the Norwegian krone on the weaker side. Those G10 currencies like the euro, Swedish krona, and Swiss franc are barely holding on to gains. Gold snapped a 6-day rally yesterday and is a little lower today. It still looks poised to retest $1,700. December WTI is little changed against rallying more than 10% in the first 3 sessions this week. It is near $86.70 after settling last week slightly below 78.75. Asian Pacific market. Japan weekly portfolio flow data showed that into the end of the fiscal half year, Japanese investors continued to divest foreign bonds. Meanwhile, foreign investors continued to be significant sellers of Japanese bonds. The US dollar recovered from yesterday's 7-day low against the yen to JPY 144.70. It remains firm, though in a narrow range. Australia reported a smaller than expected trade surplus for August. Exports rose 3% after a 10% fall in July, while imports rose 4% after a 0.5% increase previously. The Australian dollar tried to extend yesterday's recovery off the $0.6415 area and made it $0.6540 before being turned lower. Market of Europe. German factory goods fell 2.4% in August, more than 3 times more than expected. On the other hand, the July series was revised sharply higher on the back of large aerospace orders, according to the government, which looked like foreign orders. Tomorrow, Germany reports August retail sales and industrial output. Orders from the Eurozone rose 4.5% in July and fell 3.8% in August. Separately, the construction PMI fell to 41.8 from 42.6. Parity capped the euro over the past 2 sessions. The euro was sold to $0.9835 yesterday and has recovered. The $0.9950 area may offer a nearby cap. Similarly, sterling encountered strong resistance near $1.15 and was sold to almost $1.1225 yesterday. A week ago, S&P lowered the outlook of its UK rating. Today, Fitch Puts cut its outlook to negative, reflected the unfunded tax cuts. Market of America. The U.S. reports weekly jobless claims and the challenger jobs cuts. In the last week in September, weekly jobless claims fell to 5-month lows. The JOLTS data earlier this week disappointed, and tomorrow the national September figures will be reported. The U.S. dollar found a bottom against the Canadian dollar in the past 2 sessions near CAD 13500. It has recovered in the European morning to reach the session high around 136.65. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.